Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you a good exercise for warming up your fingers when you're playing your guitar. It's a great exercise, and again, don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. For this example, I'm just going to start up on the 7th fret of the 6th string, okay? 7th fret of the 6th string with my index finger. And I'm going to hit that 7th fret on the 6th string with my index finger one time. Then I'm going to hit the 10th fret with my pinky finger one time. Then I'm going to hit the 9th fret with my ring finger one time. And then again, I'm going to hit the 10th fret with my pinky finger one more time. So I'll do that 2 times in a row. And again, index finger on that 7th fret 6th string, hit it one time. Pinky finger on that 10th fret 6th string, hit it one time. Ring finger on that 9th fret 6th string, do it one time. Pinky finger on that 10th fret 6th string one time. And you just do that a whole routine there twice. And then I drop down 2 frets. In this scenario, it'll be the 5th fret of the 6th string. And I'll play that note one time. Then I'll play the 8th fret with my pinky finger one time. Then I'll play the 6th fret with my middle finger one time. Then I'll play the 8th fret with my pinky finger one time. So kind of like this. I'll do that twice. So this is a great routine to warm up with. And I kind of do 2 times of each scenario in a row like this. I'll show you. I'll start off on my 6th string, and then I'll take it all the way down through strings 5, down to 4 string, down to the 3rd string, down to the 2nd string, down to the 1st string. And, you can play the metronome, check your speed, try to get faster, try to get cleaner. But it's definitely a great exercise, warming up your fingers before you play, and just a good exercise in general for keeping your fingers really just, ready to play at any time, okay? So, hey, Mr. G here. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe and to like the video and check out my other videos.